This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a box made of paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need a sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. Selecting the right paper is crucial. Cardstock or heavy construction paper works best for a sturdy box. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit to ensure accuracy in your measurements and cuts. This initial preparation sets the foundation for a successful papercraft project. Now, let's move on to measuring and scoring. Begin by marking out your desired box dimensions on the paper, whether it's a perfect square or a rectangle. Use a ruler and a pencil for accuracy. Next, gently score along these lines using a dull knife or a bone folder. This helps create clean, sharp folds. Once all lines are scored, carefully fold the paper along each one, ensuring every crease is firm and precise. This step is vital for the box's structure. With your paper scored and folded, it's time to cut and assemble. Carefully cut along the designated lines to create the necessary tabs that will hold your box together. These tabs are essential for a strong structure. Apply a small, even amount of glue or double-sided tape to each tab. Then, meticulously press the tabs into place, securing the sides of your box. Hold each joint for a few seconds to ensure a firm bond, creating a neat and functional paper box. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to your paper box. This is where you can personalize it. Consider adding decorative elements like stickers, paint, or even a ribbon to make it truly unique. For extra durability, you might want to reinforce the inside corners with a bit more glue. And hey, if you're looking for new ways to enjoy your favorite stories, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your custom-made paper box.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.